Forget coffee. These superfoods will give you natural energy. As soon as you wake up in the morning, do you have to drink coffee or tea first? Without caffeine, it feels like your energy levels have gone to zero. But do you know that coffee is a temporary energy booster that makes you feel active for a while, but then gives you a sudden crash? If you want to get out of coffee addiction and want real, long-lasting energy, then today I will tell you about 5 powerful superfoods that will give you sustained energy without any caffeine side effects. These are natural, nourish the body, and keep fatigue away. If you too feel lethargic every day and want an energy boost, then this video can be a game changer for you. Let's get started. The first superfood is Moringa. It is also known as miracle tree, an ancient superfood that nourishes your body like a natural multivitamin. In Ayurveda, it is considered an energy booster as it is rich in essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Moringa has a perfect balance of vitamin C, iron, calcium, and omega-3 fatty acids, which give you sustained energy throughout the day. Main benefits: Moringa contains 7 times more vitamin C than oranges, which boosts energy metabolism and removes fatigue. It contains 4 times more calcium than milk, which improves muscle and nerve function and keeps the body active. It contains 3 times more iron than spinach, which improves oxygen transport and delivers energy to the cells. It contains 46 powerful antioxidants, which reduce oxidative stress and prevent fatigue. Moringa has high iron content, which increases hemoglobin levels, improving the flow of oxygen to your muscles and brain. When oxygen circulates properly in the body, energy levels are naturally boosted. To get its benefits, you can drink it as a morning tonic. Mix 1 teaspoon of Moringa powder in warm water or a smoothie and drink it in the morning. To prepare Moringa tea, boil fresh leaves to make herbal tea and consume it in the evening. The next superfood is chia seeds. If you need steady energy throughout the day without sudden crashes, then chia seeds are the best option. This is an ancient Aztec warrior food that improves long-lasting stamina and keeps the body hydrated. Its key benefits are: chia seeds provide 5 times more calcium than milk, which is essential for muscle and nerve function. They are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which improve brain and focus power. They are high in fiber, which slowly releases carbs, giving you stable energy throughout the day. Chia seeds provide hydration to the body, which helps sustain energy levels. Chia seeds are hydrophilic food that can absorb 10 times their weight in water. When you consume them, they expand into a gel-like form in the digestive system, which causes slow release of nutrients and helps sustain energy for a longer time. To get its benefits, prepare a chia energy drink. For that, soak 1 tablespoon of chia seeds overnight and drink it in the morning after mixing it with lemon water. Make chia pudding by soaking it in coconut milk and enjoy it with honey and fruits. Next superfood is maca root. If you are troubled by work stress and fatigue, then maca root will help in balancing your body's hormones and improving energy levels. This is an ancient Peruvian superfood that is used by athletes and warriors to increase their stamina. The main benefits are: it supports the adrenal glands, which reduces stress and anxiety. Maca root is loaded with B vitamins and magnesium, which boost ATP production and increase natural energy. It maintains hormonal balance, which improves both mood and stamina. Why it works for energy? Maca root is an adaptogen that controls stress hormones. When the stress level is reduced, the body's energy production is better, due to which you can see the effect of natural energy and increased stamina. Best way to consume: prepare a maca smoothie by mixing 1 teaspoon maca powder in a banana smoothie, or make maca latte by adding 1 teaspoon maca powder and cinnamon in warm almond milk and enjoy. Next is coconut water. If you feel low energy due to dehydration, then coconut water is an instant fix. This is a natural electrolyte drink that recharges the body without any artificial sugar. Main benefits: coconut water contains potassium and magnesium, which maintains body hydration. This is an instant glucose source that removes fatigue and makes you feel fresh. Why it works for energy: coconut water contains essential minerals which improve hydration and energy supply in the cells. Its low sugar and high electrolyte content give you a natural energy boost. Best way to consume: morning detox. Mix fresh coconut water, lemon, and pink salt and drink it. Workout drink. Drink coconut water after gym instead of sugary energy drinks. Superfood number 5. Dark chocolate. If you need instant energy without coffee, dark chocolate is an amazing option. It is not just a tasty treat, but is loaded with antioxidants, magnesium, and natural compounds that boost brain function and improve mood. Main benefits. It contains a high amount of flavonoids, which improve blood flow and reduce stress and fatigue. Being magnesium-rich, it helps in muscle relaxation and better sleep, which indirectly maintains energy levels. Releases serotonin and endorphins, which act as a natural antidepressant and uplifts mood. Why it works for energy. Dark chocolate contains theobromine, a milder form of caffeine. It gives the body steady and long-lasting energy without the jitters of caffeine. Also, its low sugar content prevents an energy crash. Best way to consume. Choose dark chocolate with 70% or more cocoa content to reap maximum benefits. 1 or 2 small pieces can be had as a morning or afternoon snack. It can also be enjoyed in smoothies or mixed with warm almond milk for an extra energy boost. Dark chocolate is a small treat that can boost both your energy levels and mood. No coffee needed. If you try these natural superfoods instead of coffee and energy drinks, you will get real, long-lasting energy without any side effects. Which superfood did you like the most on this list? Let us know by commenting. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Stay healthy and stay energetic.